We started with a dream to build a self-sufficient life in nature. We are sisters, and we live in the crater of an ancient volcano, nestled amongst the rainforest mountains. Living deep in the rainforest has its challenges, but they are far outweighed by the abundance of this life. The volcanic soil is rich in nutrients, and winter never really comes, so fruit grow all year round. Right now, in autumn, the trees are filled with colour. The tastes of the rainforest are more vibrant than anything else in the world. This tree was planted by our grandparents probably 60 years ago, and it's so grand and tall now, and it produces the most beautiful fruit. It didn't produce any this year because it's been too much of a wet summer, but it's such a beautiful tree just to hang out in. There's a few jackfruit, but they are so far up. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to them. It's a bit small. I could almost touch it, but I'm just a little bit too short, so I think I'm going to have to come back with the picker.
This is an ice cream bean, and it's named that because its texture and taste is like very similar to ice cream. It's so yummy, it's so weird. It's straight off the tree and it tastes like ice cream. There's lots of tiny kiwi fruit, and a few on the other side of the patch I think will be ready. It's always really the first sign of autumn that the kiwis ripen with the first cold nights, and they're just so yummy and abundant, and all the fruit just ripens with autumn's touch. When our dad was a kid, he planted these kiwi vines with our opa, and now there's so many of them, and they're massive, and they have the best fruit every year. But we're a bit stressed because we really need to prune them. There's a lot of work to do, but we really should do it because then they'll fruit so much better. But it's just a big job that we're gonna do. And we can't do it when there's fruit on, because then all the fruit would have to be cut away. And so it's only this really small time of year that we're able to do it, and we keep missing it.
Really? Which one? I should try for it. Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah. Maybe just try for it like that. Yeah. Hey! Don't let it hit you. Don't go below it. Oh! I got you on the head. Falling over.
No, too much wind. I know the wind is not doing it any favors. Oh.
Should we put the bunches together?
Yes.
Oh, this one's beautiful. Is that for you? How are you? Yeah, Lord. Good Kiki. Oh. Off you go. This is my favourite black sapote tree. Last year it didn't fruit at all, but this year I can see thousands of fruit everywhere, so I'm so excited. They ripen in the spring though, so it's a little wait, but oh, I love black sapotes the most. They're like chocolate pudding fruit, so they actually just taste like chocolate pudding. You just open them up and it's the most magical thing. Everyone loves star fruit. I just brought the sheep in to eat all the grass down. But the duck's job in the orchard is to eat all the fallen fruit, and it actually prevents fruit fly because they breed in fruit that's sitting on the ground. So it's really cute, but it's also really meaningful. We boiled the jackfruit for maybe an hour and then we pulled it all apart and it's turned into this amazing, like, meaty kind of texture. It's all stringy and cool and it smelt really good, so I'm frying up some onion here and spices and I'm going to add it and we'll see how it goes.
Tonight we're eating a jackfruit chili with a salad with carambola, avocados, and then we've got guava crumble and with pecans from the farm as well. It is so exciting. I cannot believe we almost grew every single thing in this meal and dessert on the farm. It just makes me so proud, and also it just makes me inspired to grow more. This is autumn's abundance. I'm so excited.
Thank you so much to our patrons for your support on our journey.